This condo may look a lot like all the others on the block, but it has something that most of the others do not have. Have you figured it out yet? It's the central heat and AC. Most of the units here are on baseboard electric. Now, if you're looking for something that's an affordable entry into the market, but doesn't sacrifice modern comfort, we might have just the place for you today. Our newest condo on Draper is a standout for 3 reasons. Number 1, it's move-in ready and nearly carpet-free, which is great for pet owners or somebody who wants low maintenance. Second is an excellent layout with 2 beds up, 1 down, and 1.5 baths. It's nice and open throughout. And number 3, that central AC and forced air natural gas heating that makes it comfortable year-round and keeps your utility bills down. Before we take you through this home, Kareem is going to show you why Ottawa West is such a wonderful place to live in.
We're in a fantastic pocket of the city. You're minutes away from the Queensway and future LRT, which makes it a quick trip to downtown or Canada. If you love the outdoors, you'll love the nearby Morrison Park, and you're minutes away from the amenities of the shopping hubs of College Square and Bayshore. It's a mature community with accessibility.
Draper Avenue features a functional layout spanning 3 whole levels. On the main floor, you'll find a spacious living, dining, and kitchen space. There's also easy access to your outdoor living area. This unit is nearly carpet-free, featuring durable flooring throughout the primary living areas. Upstairs, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms with plenty of natural light. And downstairs is your bonus area, creating the perfect spot for a home office, gym, or extra TV space.
Condo living is more than just the 4 walls. The complex here on Draper Avenue offers a great sense of community and is very well maintained. Outside Unit 55, you have a great patio space for your summer barbecues or soaking in the sun. What sets this unit apart from the rest is it has a natural gas furnace and central AC, unlike the electric baseboards found in other properties nearby.
It's rare to find a home at this price point that's truly turnkey and ready for its next owner.
In the Nick Funditis team, we believe in transparency. That's why we have the pre-list home inspection, floor plans, and status certificate on our website. You can see all of that along with more pictures on nickfunditis.ca.
If you're looking for a comfortable, efficient, and well-located home, 2610 Draper, Unit 55 is it. Reach out to us to book your private showing, or if you know someone who would love this home, have them reach out to us, share the YouTube link, and we'll be happy to help them make their best move in Ottawa. And we will be happy to help them make their best move in Ottawa. I had a little stumble.
This unit is nearly carpet-free, featuring hardwood, I messed up and then I ruined the whole thing.